4c subtract b equals 7. 4c subtract 2b equal 2. This is first equation, second equation. Here coefficients of c are equal. Coefficients of c are equal. Therefore, let's subtract one equation from the other equation to eliminate c. Here signs are same. Second equation. Here when subtract second equation, this negative 2b is changed to positive 2b. First equation subtract second equation. 4c subtract b subtract 4c subtract 2b is equal 7 subtract 2. When subtracting a algebraic expression, here every terms in the brackets are multiplied with this sign. 4c subtract b, negative times positive, negative 4c. Negative times negative, positive 2b is equal 7 subtract 2 equal 5. 4c, positive 4c subtract negative 4c are cancel out. Negative b plus 2b. b is subtract from 2b, b is equal 5. 2x subtract 3y equal 1. Negative 5x subtract 3y equal negative 30. The coefficient of y is equal and signs are same. Sign is same. Therefore, to eliminate y, we must subtract one equation for other equation. Here signs are same. We subtract one equation from another. Second equation. Here we subtract second equation from first equation. 2x subtract 3y subtract negative 5x subtract 3y is equal 1 subtract negative 30. Here sign is negative. 1 subtract negative 3. This negative sign is changed to positive. 2x subtract 3y. Negative negative positive 5x. Negative negative positive 3y. When subtract the equation from another equation, the equation which is subtracted, the sign of its terms are changed. Here negative 5x changed to positive 5x. Negative 3y changed to positive 3y. 2x plus 5x. 7x. Negative 3y and positive 3y are cancelled out. Equal 1 plus 13 is equal 14. Both sides divide by 2. X is equal 2. Substituting. X is equal 3. In first equation, 2 times x. 2 times x. 2 times x. X is equal 2 plus 2x subtract 3y is equal 1. 2 times 2, 4. Negative 3y. 4 subtract 3. 1 subtract. Here 2 times 2, 4. 4 is subtract from both sides. 1 subtract 4. Negative 3. Here also negative 3y equal negative 3. Both sides divide by negative 3. X is equal 1. Sorry, y is equal 1. It is the answer. X is equal 2 and y is equal 1. We can check the answer is correct. We substitute x is equal 2 and y is equal 1 in first equation. Here we substitute in first equation to deciding its accuracy. We substitute these values for second equation. Negative 5 times 2, negative 10. 3 times plus 1, negative 3 times positive plus 1, negative 3. Then here answer is correct. Answer is negative 13. Now please do the sixth question. The coefficient of b are equal. Therefore, let's subtract one equation from the other equation. Then here 2a and 4a. 2a is smaller than 4a. We can subtract first equation from second equation. 4a plus 3b subtract 2a plus 3b is equal 26 subtract 16. Here then subtract first equation. The sign of the first equation are changed. Then sign of 2a. Here positive, it translates to negative. Change to negative. Here positive 3b, it changed to negative 3b. 26 subtract 16, 10. 4a plus 3b. Positive 3b and negative 3b are cancelled out. 4a subtract 2a. 2a is equal 10. Both sides divide by 2. A is equal 5. Then by substituting A is equal 5 in first equation. 2 times A, 2 times 5 plus 3B is equal 16. 2 times 5, 10. 3b is equal 16 subtract 10. Here 10 plus 3b. Subtract 10 from both sides. 16 subtract 10, 6. 3b. Both sides divide by 3. b is equal 2. b is equal 2. b is equal 2. Then the answer is A is equal 5, B is equal 2. We can check if the answer is correct. We substitute this answer for second equation. 4 times 5, 20. 3 times 2, 6. 20 plus 6, 26. A subtract 5 equal B, 2A plus B equal 4. We take this 5 to left hand side. A, here B. We subtract B from both sides. Here negative 5. We add 5 to both sides. Then A subtract B equal 5. We take this is the first equation. 2A plus B equal 4. It is second equation. The coefficient of B is equal and signs are different. To eliminate B, we must add these two equations. First equation plus second equation. A subtract B plus 2A plus B equal 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equal 9. 3A equal 9. Both sides divide by 3. A is equal 3. By substituting A is equal 3 in second equation. Here sign of B is positive in second equation. 2 times 3 plus B equal 4. 2 times 3 6. B is equal 4 subtract 6 equal negative 2. Then the solution is A is equal 3, B is equal negative 2. We can check if the answer is correct. Now here we substitute in second equation. Now we substitute in first equation. A is equal negative 2. Negative 2. Here A is equal 3. Sorry. A is equal 3. 3 subtract 5. 3 subtract 5. 3 subtract from 5 is 2. Sign is negative. Negative 2. Right hand side is equal B. B is equal positive 2. Yes, answer is correct. Now, please do other 10 exercise. Next one. K plus 4L equal 4. 3K plus subtract 2L equal 16. Here coefficients of K are equal. Here signs also equal. Then we subtract one equation from the other to eliminate K. First equation subtract second equation. Second equation is subtract from first equation. 3K plus 4L. Subtract 3K, subtract 2L is equal 4 subtract 16. 3K plus 4L. Positive times negative, negative 3K. Negative plus 2L. Here 4 is subtract from 16. 2L. Sign of 16 is negative 2L. 3K and negative 3K are cancelled out. 4L plus 2L 6L equal negative 2L. Both sides divide by 6. L is equal negative 2. Negative divide by positive, negative. Then to find the value of K, we substituting L is equal negative 2 in first equation. 3 times K plus 4 times negative 2 is equal 4. 4 times 2, 8. Positive times negative, negative. 3k. Here subtract 8. We adding 8 to both sides. 3k subtract 8 plus 8 equal 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is equal 12. 3k equal 12. Both sides divide by 3. K is equal 4. K is equal 4. Answer is K is equal 4. L is equal negative 2. We can check, is this answer is correct? Is this answer correct? Here we substitute those values to second equation. 3 times 4, 12. Negative 2 times negative 2. 2 times 2, 4. 12 plus 4 is equal 16. Yes, answer. The sum of two numbers is 10 and the difference is 2. Taking the two numbers as x and y, construct a pair of simultaneous equations and solve them. Sum of two numbers is 10. We take these two numbers as x and y. Sum of these numbers, x plus y, is equal 10. We take, this is the first equation. Taking two numbers as x and y, sum of these two numbers is 10. X plus y equal 10. Difference is 2. Difference, x subtract y, is the difference, is equal to. It is second equation. Here coefficients of y are equal and signs are different. First equation plus second equation. X plus y plus x subtract y equal 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Positive y and negative y are cancelled out. X plus x, 2x. Both sides divide by 2. X is equal 6. By substituting, x is equal 6 in first equation. X is 6 plus y equal 10. Y is equal 6. 10 subtract 6 is equal 4. Solution. X is equal 6. Y is equal 4. Then x is 6. 6 subtract 4 is equal to. Yes, answer is correct. Next question.